How's it going? It's Eric from Phone LCD Parts. I'm with Kim from Techy.
That's right. It's going great, man. Thanks for having me on.
Yeah, so I know you guys have been growing a lot.
Oh yeah.
What have you guys seen with your POS system? Like, what are you guys doing to get more customers in and help shops work with their customers?
2025 is all about AI.
Hmm.
We're all about AI. So right now we have AI services being answered.
Hmm.
They answer all of our phone calls.
Really?
It goes right into the point of sale system. They do the automatic follow-ups right through the AI too as well.
Hmm.
So 2025 for us is all about AI, and we've been pushing that super hard, not just in our point of sale system, but inside of our stores.
So what have the challenges been with that? What makes it difficult, or has it been like a very smooth transition?
I mean, there's obviously AI is still evolving so much. So there have been some challenges where the call doesn't always get answered 100% correctly.
Hmm.
But for the most part, it's been incredible. I mean, you're doing 4 or 5 repairs at your shop. You can't answer the phone. You can't help the guy. You need to have an assistant. And that's what this AI is an assistant for you. So it's already proven to be a conversion rate of 40% on every single phone call, where most stores are about a 20%.
Yeah, wow.
So it's doubling that just on the AI side of things. So,
Have you used AI to help with attachment rates or selling more accessories? Does that help? Yeah.
oh yeah, of course. Of course, we've been doing that too as well. And that's been, so what we do is that after they come in and we lock them in, we text them. And then we send them, hey, 15% off a discount or whatever it may be. And that's hatching those text messages is when really good.
Great. And what unique challenges have you seen in 2025 and as of late that you see affecting the repair industry?
I mean, a lot of people are concerned about like the tariffs and that kind of stuff, but I think that's going to go all flatten out. So I wouldn't worry too much about that. I would focus mainly on your customers, right? Going out there and getting those customers. That's what you need to focus on. Stop worrying about everything else that's going on in the industry. Focus on your store and going and getting your customers, and you'll be perfect. You'll find there's plenty of business out there. I promise you. Come to my headquarters in Fort Lauderdale. You'll see plenty of business sit just in there.
How far is Fort Lauderdale from the Gadget Repair Expo show?
About 45 minutes. Come to our facility, check us out. Come shake hands with us. We're all in the same industry. Yes, I have a name here, Techy. At the end of the day, we're one big industry. We got to support each other. Come visit us. Come do a Techy tour. Let's shake some hands. Let's say what's up. It's a 25,000 square foot facility with all the essentials that you need.
Great. Well, thanks, Tim. I hope you enjoy the show.